Dani Tuaco, Washington, Dani Tua, Bora. Price, Atini Mokokoro. It's 4. It's all too easy for Amazulu now. Hanamo with a cutback. Pintumera, can he score? Of course he can. Too easy. Too easy. Very easy, Titi.
What a weekend of Betway Premiership action. The staff Super Diski is made of. Good evening and welcome to the biggest show on TV on a Sunday with myself, Lindiwe Dube. We are inviting you to be part of our match day winning squad in studio by connecting with us online using that hashtag #SSFatBase. You can also chat to us via Zoom. We're talking all things Soweto Derby. First up, Kaizer Chiefs up against Orlando Pirates rather. 1-1 is how it ended at the FNB Stadium. And before we saw the Sundowns results, Scheme, did you think that the league was gone?
Yeah, before. But now usually the league is going to finish on the 23.
Yeah.
When we play PE Europe Block 1. Because OPT don't have a stadium. To come to the game, supporters firstly, they must come into the stadium. Enjoy ticket in India so good. Yeah, trying out, but too much. But we go to game, we fill up the stadium, 90 minutes. But the boys, all our boys play well, 90 minutes. And our striker and police and Mufugeni Motudo by so whatever mobile so too much. But the Chiefs today was playing well. But prepare no Chiefs, they come to us 90 minutes. They give us that time. They don't want Paris to win the league. They score first. They think when they score, they're number one. But they're not number one. But they play well for us, for Pirates. Lindy. We'll fight until the end. You go see. Maybe Coach Abel bring to Muremi. Muremi was injured in 20 minutes. But Lindy's football, as a Pirates fans, Mutoko is getting married on 23. That one I'm looking at. Pirates going to check the league M22. You like it, don't like it. Who I want to see Sundowns. Dropping players like us. But for us, Lindy, you can only trade Lindy one. These boys for this year, they did a good job. Because all the better Sundowns. Sundowns, a lot of players are overseas.
Yeah.
Pirates is local. You can see this league is nice and beautiful. We give them hard time. About by literature pay. And then to go there, you draw. For us in the reform chance, we play well as a team, we win as a team, we'll draw, we'll move on. 4 games left. 1 home, 3 away. That's why we say the boys must come to the party. Every game we play for final. But the team play well, all of them. And I'm sure no delay. We're still number 1. Barbara Kim Galent, Kim into don't work here for much about to but Fragile not if we we still go to play.
Okay, but Mtogo, Pulemori scored first, of course, for Amakosi and Kamkhelo Sibelebele cancelled out that in the 75th minute.
Yeah, I know Pulemori goal like I mean listen to such a bowler, but football is a game of mistake where Peterson I'll push I'll Vela Parati state of famous sighting, but other than that he will play very well. But he pirate now it's because of Peterson as a total man of the match. When some save I 6 lapa. So we should he pirate baby. Yeah, we are 20 momentum second half. Yakonu emdlalweni as pole position yabisho na ukuthi they end up with 58% compared to us with a 42% pole position. But other than that, we are happy with this point and the draw. Isihle kakhulu. I mean, I'm a game 5 before this one. They shy, but I say kakhulu Kosi for life.
I want to talk about the full 90 minutes because Orlando Pirates had 7 shots on target. Amakosi only had 1 shot on target, Frank.
Akasibingelele sisilindi yeah useshilo uBramthola ukuthi iPirates idlalile so uma ubona kuthiwa iman of the match ugoalkeeper kuyacaca ukuthi besingafikanga besigalelekile yeah so for me ngiye ngibheke ukuthi masidrowile, especially sidraw esiqhamuka from emuva besidliwa ngo-1-0 sa-equalize. For me, le draw lena, I'm happy. Isayidi ama-result e-Sundowns ne-Richards Bay. Kuyacaca ukuthi vele kumele mangiphuma la. Kuvele kunqamuka yona inyama. Sihleli phezulu sisilindi, silalile. And ngisasho namanje ukuthi asidlali sodwa. Lama team onke esizodlala nawo. Ayikho igame ezoba simple because ekugcineni lamahashasha lezansi afuna ukuvika izembe. Abanye bafuna ukungena kwi-top 8, abanye bafuna ukuya Africa. So into engayisho ucoach wami, abadlali bami, bafethu, we are very very happy singabalandeli bePirates. Semukela okuncane bathi sibonga okuncane sibonga okukhulu. 1 point is better than nothing. Yeah, bezliwa and if bezliwa iswela bengizokhala khona but ukubuya sithi 1-1 siphushile singamabhakaniya and uqeda kusho enye into lapha uBraskim indaba yamathikithi sisilinde siyacela bake basisothelele yanto kubi and nami ithikithi ebengilithengile mangakutshela ngigcine ngangenanga ngalo because ngilithengelwe unkosikazi wami nge-app yakhe only to find ukuthi mangifika lapha bathi no kufuna iyo and usesontweni ngiyamfonela lo muntu ifona kayibabe lakhini ngangena so siyacela ababuyisele mhlambi isitayela sakudala engakusho kumabhakaniya bafowethu we are still cruising nice sisilinde tshelana abantu bamabhanoyi bama-helicopter ayiyondiza phezulu lo nyaka kulo nyaka even yona isandla zayikazi icabanga ukuthi lokho kufike isikhathi esinje. Siyabonga amabhakaniya yami imligi mnandi mayiso.
Yebo Vuyo.
Linde ngithanda ukusho okokuqala nje esingithanda ukubonga intwana zami ukuthi they saved my tears for namhlanje abangijabulisile because worried. Remember last week we talked about the key players that are very dangerous. We line up the Pirates. Today abafana bami they sorted all that out. I was talking to my brother here earlier on njengoba sibheke game ukuthi I wish our coach did the homework. He planned for the Pirates because they had 5 days to prepare for this game. 5 days to plan how to deal with the Pirates. Like I said to you that if you want to beat Pirates, you need to work smart. And the boys, they did exactly amagamam as if they were listening to me. And what also made me proud about them, you know, in football, in the corner, into is spine. I'm talking about the middle field. The boys, they stood out their ground. The middle field of Kaizer Chiefs played very well. We didn't give any chance to breathe. We were like putting them in a bottle, whereby Mfokeng didn't do nothing, our policy didn't do nothing. They even take him out. Otto was out of the game, you know, and then into Valena Leshazuli versus Cartel. I remember last time I played, it draw for me. It's better. And I'm proud of Labo Coach Love. Playing away, akufani nokudlala home. I-point away, it's very, very good. And i-league, I don't want to talk about it. Ngoba thina sidlalela i-Africa. We're going to go back to CAF. Leyo i-clear. Ukuthi silandele emuva kwenzakalani ngaye, no. But I'm also proud of our goalkeeper. He's my man of the match. And to all the boys that today played at Derby. Boys, keep it up. Keep up the good work. Besingasakwazi nokuhamba emarenkini. Yazi mangiphume ekuseni today ngiza la e-studio. Mangifike eBree. Bala. I-traffic engiyibone laphayana mangiza. Bala. Amahuta yonke lento lena. I was so scared. I was even going nonkosikazi wami njengo-Frank Athu nonkosikazi. Unkosikazi wami naye usekhaya manje ubhekile show Sarina from Diepsloot ngibonga amagama akho ukuthi ungiqinisile wathi ngeke sidliwe namhlanje. Stay strong. So to the boys, you did your work. Coach, you did your work. We're proud of you guys. We're looking into the next game now. This game, we are taking it like water under the bridge. We are focusing to the next game. And thank you to the boys. they stood up their ground today. I'm very proud of them. Siyabonga bafana.
All right, Coach Owadu of Orlando Pirates had to make a forced change in the first half. Tepang Moremi being subbed. Came on was Patrick Maswanganyi. How much did that change the dynamic of the game?
Engichaze engaphawula before siqhubeka ngale nkulumo. Lento eyenzakale lapha ukuthi sibone ama-security we-Chiefs nawe-Pirate kuyaliwa kubangwa lento ebangwa lapha before igame isuka. Ingayenza nama-supporter alwe ngoba manje bebona lokuphusha-phushana. Siyacela ukuthi mangabe khona izinto ezenziwayo babazenze bona. If umunye ufaka ini lapha umunye uyayikhipha kube kanjalo ngoba sonke size sizobukela ibhola. These magics, they don't work anyway. You can do it, you can lose the game. Now, woman just let it draw 1-1. We are the magic, we play 1-1. So, going forward, international Naxima scene is for the stadium. Coming back, Google game, what happened when they came in Pirates Chiefs. People must remember, Cizela Pana Cinema came out 7 Singaduzan. So logo if ungabheka compared to the previous derby, sasidliwe 3 lapha, siprove 2 siwine 1. So this time i-track lena behamba kahle. That's why nabafana badlale kamnandi mawungabheka namhlanje. But igame beyimnandi. Mina ngibona nje ukuthi isikole sifair se 1-1 rather than mhlambe if not besiluzile not besophatheka ngoba amazulu ahlezi emva kwethu la. Aswashiyi kude now. So we trying hard ukuthi consolidate my point. But so far so good. The game was so beautiful. Though I'm a hiccup so in the stadium, very one and always unzima mara at least it was look feel. Mbonga uti I game pelega mnandi nga 1-1. Sibongeka kulindi.
Danko Kosi. Hispania.
The change that Tito brought, it was not really that impactful. Look, Tito is not really that much of an impactful player. You need somebody that's going to be able to press forward so that they can have pressure. But look, a very great round of football. Kaizer Chiefs did not really want this game as much as anything because soon as they scored that 1 goal, they lacked a sense of emergency. That's when they gave Orlando Pirates more space to come to the front. And look, I must say that Apolis Namhlanje, he was not really there for me. I think Une injured or something, right? So I then think we see better. But Orlando Pirates going forward, we need to stop Galama Bola Pezul because it's a 50-50 and we had so many opportunities. But because of Amapola Pezul, Kaizer Chiefs had more advantages. But had we played Amapola way to Pansy, look, we could have been taking something. But to be honest, the league is still anybody's league. Helicopter over Indies. So great football all around. Sizobona kona sislindi.
Yeah. 12 points to play for. Orlando Pirates still have Stellenbosch, Magesi, Durban City, as well as Orbit College on the last day of the league. Lama game lawa draw namhlanje. Lawa sele wona mapagania. How are you planning to get all 3 points?
Greetings, Sis Lindy. Ngibingelele wonke abantu and viewers at home. Sis Lindy, unfortunately you asked a question about the Pirates. I would say Pirates needs to win their games, their remaining games in order for them to win the league because we have changed the tune now. We were saying we will do them a favor, we'll do Sundowns a favor, but now it seems like my boys, they're not in the same track as us at the defense. So they just want to win whatever comes in their way. They want to collect the points. So also credit to the coaches. I mean, we've been criticizing them, but in today's game they've got it spot on. I mean, like they neutralize Mfugeng, they neutralize Police. It shows that when you allow those two to play, Pirates will kill you. But what Chiefs did, they neutralized the middle field. They forced Pirates to play long balls behind our defense, of which it was simple for us to win the ball because Aiden is so clever. He gives them the space and just win the ball. And to me, God forbid, for Liren to go out, it was a blessing in disguise. He's got a pace. He's a very good winger. So once he went out, I saw an opportunity for us to grab 3 points. But it's a pity we didn't win the game, but we played very well. And kudos to the boys. I mean, next game we need to win, and the show goes on, as people will say. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Kosi. Amapagani unable to complete a double over Kaizer Chiefs this season following a 3-0 victory in the reverse fixture. Stay with your World of Champions. The action continues today, not only on our PSL channel, because in Serie A, 3 points separating AC Milan as well as Juve. That game is live later on your World of Champions. Complex, then you have Polokwane City now, who are also taking you Posishego.
It's very difficult to play on a small ground, but we have to adapt. I mean, we have to adapt in order to win the league. If we don't adapt, we will suffer, because this is a game where we're supposed to win.
Yeah.
We were very sure we are going to collect maximum point, especially after the other one,
yeah.
So we had advantage, but we didn't use it. Level in a week, within a period of 7 days, we dropped 4 points. That's unlike Sundowns.
Yeah.
And we're making things very difficult for us, because we should have building the momentum, because we are going to the final. But now we are looking down. We don't achieve the result. But let's hope we'll turn the corner against Polokwane City, because now all the games are very difficult. And these teams are capitalizing on small stadium, and we have to adapt. There is nothing we can do. We have to adapt. Thanks.
Cool. This is how it ended at the Umhlathuze Sports Complex between the Natal Rich Boys as well as Mamelodi Sundowns. Up next, as Matume said for them, it's Polokwane City. A Polokwane City side that won this weekend against Stellenbosch.
No, I agree with Matume. I'm so disappointed with my boys. And I also idea of starting lineup, or like every game you change starting lineup. So I don't like it. So totally middle field like it today, like you see, it's very poor. You put Mokoena on the bench. So you not change with because even like this game, Pirates you lose, you draw this game. So I realize already it is to when we win this game, you'll go far. So I'm so disappointed.
Yes, Masandwa.
Pirates tshwana le sefofu e se o etile pele se sa tsebetsela mo se yang. Ke re league ke marathon. Re nka league rona Masandown. Ha ona ntwe e ka re thibela. Pirates sa re tshwaretse umbrella fela. Ska la tshowa Masandown league ke ya rona ka boyelo.
Kabuyelo, Masandawana, they've got a game in hand. Should they get a victory in that game against Polokwane City, they go back to the top of the table. But what do they have to do, Tebogo, to get that victory against a very stubborn Polokwane City side?
Hey, Lindy, good evening, and viewers at home. Indeed, when you look at it, it looks very simple. But when you go there, for you to can achieve whatever points that one is expecting, that's a very difficult exercise to do. Sundowns, I'm not sure, as one of the best team in especially in our league, they should know how to handle teams that are actually taking advantage of it to give it to a small stadiums. They find it very difficult. Maybe change the pattern as to how you play at a bigger stadium like your FNB and your you need to have another way of approaching games. But if you came with the same approach of saying, well, we're gonna place the ball 1, 2, 3, then that's when it's gonna be very difficult. Polokwane City spoilers. I've mentioned that many a times to say whoever wants to achieve something. Once you say you are going to meet Polokwane City, definitely Polokwane City is going to stand on your way. And if you don't have ways of attacking or unblocking them, definitely you're gonna lose it. It looks somehow now, Lindy, Pirates is knocking very hard as it stands. And if should Mamelodi Sundowns slip just a bit, then definitely a different picture it's drawn again. They are painting a different picture. Jimmy, he might be one of the guy who's getting married, and it can still happen that he's not gonna get married. Now it's all up to these teams that are going to play Polokwane City. Watch out for this spoiler. Thank you so much.
But credit to the Natal Rich Boys as well, because they won against Kaizer Chiefs. They drew 2-2 against Orlando Pirates, and today a goalless draw against the defending champions.
Arlewood chairman RCS Bay, Mr. Biela Jerkim journalist to Spain. Team William Fellow Matas, the Pirates and the Sunhouse. Oh, we are going in the Awoy. Watala, full packed.
Yes.
RCS Bay collected 5 points of the big teams. Sundowns, Ilegua. Also, stadium Lindy. No, it's not about to. This stadium is small. No, we play the games. It's the stadium. It's like sometimes when they play off chats. As we play there, that's why supporters when they take it out by early. The game was good. We won in front of the pants. Mistakes, man. Refufile Moravarawa was supposed to score. That was all indeed. Over what RCSB. They own the team for how training. The body they play well. And then RCSB, player, you all the players there from development, really watch him in RCSB. You're doing the great job. But RCSB back Pinaga Polo. Because you want to know your markets, but for RCSB, well done for Sundowns. We give you a deal. If you want our deal, take the CAF. We take a league. But if you don't want a deal, no, it's a deal. If they don't want a deal in the
They want both. They want
look,
both.
if they want both, you see what's going to do. If they want both, on the Friday on the 15th, we're going to CAF. We won't go to support them. But if they want a deal with Pirates, yes, a deal. Give us league, we give you CAF.
Wiseman, there's something you said off air that with Masandawana competing in CAF Champions League football, it exposes them to all kinds of conditions, playing conditions. They're comfortable playing, in wet weather, on a
All ground.
exactly.
Yes,
So, are we surprised or are we disappointed that they drew today against Richards Bay, or are we just crediting Richards Bay for a great game plan?
I think, Sislindi, let's give credit to Richards Bay. Sundowns is going to win the league, whether we are like it or not, because when they go and play in Africa, they get more exposure and experience. Ukudlala difficult condition.
Yeah.
So even though Mongabatatu basisishiho kuzofana, they are going to win. So let's wait till the last game. Definitely there will be no helicopter. Obvious Sundowns is going to win the league. And then Sislindi, there is a scheme yokuthi abenze deal. I really don't know. Because we have already, they're on the final. It's up to them. They must go and win that game. We league, obvious. If we can win one game, they go on top. It's different. It's 1 point. Pirate in Sundowns now 1 game on hand. So automatically, if they can win 1 game, Sundowns go back on top. So to me, Sislindi, it's part of game. Amayama game we are win, amayama draw. But if you can check, Sundowns now 1 loss. And then Amatroa Manning, this is only 1 lost against shall we call it Arrows. So now my chances with that they can win the league. Manning are cool to compare Orlando Pirates.
All right, let's take it to the Moses Mabhida Stadium. After a 3-match winless run, AmaZulu went back to winning ways with an emphatic 5-1 win over Chippa United. Coach Manget's biggest league win in top flight football. Ooh, Chisapa Mengaga, Vuyo.
I know, Lindy. I mean, I'm not surprised. I want AmaZulu. I never mind the lost Orlando Stadium. But I think losing at Orlando, then playing in this game, and another thing, playing at home, very important. I mean, no extent. AmaZulu njaphethe cream njadlala uwatazwane bengimdoubt, but now it seems like He's pulling up amasokisi umfana uyadlala and I'm proud of them be succeed kanje ngoba phela they've got good quality players the likes of extend njengoba ngichazile and ukubona amagoli kanje eligini kuyadingeka. It makes the game entertaining, so I'm proud of them winning igame yabo naye la khona ubani lo othanda amazulu lo ohlala engena ngezomo uKatsheni hayi ujabulile la khona uBrakatsheni but ke to wise men noma uwina ama5 mfowethu but khohlwa number 3 brawami khohlwa mfowethu danko.
All right.
Well, again, Lindy, I think to add on that, we need to give credit to Coach Arthur Zwane. I think Coach Arthur Zwane has been doing very well, managed to assemble the inexperienced and the young players. I mean, you look at the likes of Abu Hendrik Extin being in the lineup each and every game, doing very well, playing very well. So I think if you check even their position, the way they were positioned last season and how they are positioned this season, it's a really good improvement. I think Babu Zungu will be very much happy. Even that game against the Chipa started sort of as if it was tough for them, started slow for them, but once they realized I'm a weak points, Chipa United, that's when they started stabilizing and getting opportunities. But Yamazulu, they've been doing very well. They gave us quite a big competition there with the absence of ETS Galaxy at the top 4 position, because we know at the end of the season, ETS Galaxy and Stellenbosch are the ones that are much competing in terms of position 4. But this season, they really came up, and congratulations to them and big up to them.
We have Elliot Wasara as well as Katsheni joining us virtually. Katsheni, ngicela ukuza kuwena because manje njengoba uSuthu lwinile, it means kune gap ye 5 points against iKaizer Chiefs.
Ngibingelele studio ngibingelele ababukela emakhaya. Ngithi nje hey
uSuthu.
Yeah, no, sijabule kakhulu and igap ya 5 points. Yes, but it's too much. It's too much. Ithanda ukuba inkulu mobheka ngoba iKaizer Chiefs isenama game ne. But leya gap leyana ipiyalathi iKaizer solokusondela kancane kwamasina 1 sosala ngo 2 points. So mayelathi iKaizer siyasondela. So ngiyajabula kakhulu abafana abasebenze kahle kakhulu bakwazile ucapitalize ngama mistake enziwe iChipa United bakwazi okay if belahla thina siyascore if belahla thina siyascore nokuthi igame ayiqalanga kahle igame in first 30 minutes besibafunda singekho mnandi kahle but ngicabanga ukuthi strategy sacoach isebenze kakhulu izolo ngoba ngishila enaphi ithe ukusiconfuse kancane ubelonje kakhulu abadlali abama midfielders kakhulu le ground but bakwazi bayidominate igame sakwazi ba nezimpendulo kalula so kuthe mase kuba i-second half sakwazi ukuhlala phezulu kwayiShipa sayishaya ngamagoli amaningi so nje besumlilo izobethutha sibapaphalise ngomlilo kahle abantu beChipa abakholwa nabo labekhona kuyimanje abakholwa ukwenzekela ibona but lo 5 matches wakangishilo last week bezwe iPirates ukuthi kumele bafocus manje beje show ukuthi le matches u5 zokugcina bangena kuzona ngegiye phezulu so nje wasingene khona kahle kanje ngo 5-1 ukuqhubeka ke manje na so collector but ngiyathandaza ukuthi at least bengari 250 angibafakeli ingcindezi but abaphushe imatch nematch ayibe njengefinal ibona ngoba supporter sicela ama fans eze balibona ibhola abafana badlala kahle kakhulu siyabonga kuyilento kocoach siyabonga kwi-effort abafana sibonile ukuthi i-fighting spirit ibikhona badlala ibhola nabo coach bebeconnecta kamnandi nabo coach sabalandeli siyancoma kakhulu siyabonga and le mdlalo esele sicela bayidlale ngokuzimisela njengoba benzile nje izolo ukuze sicollecte more points if u50 siyawushaya ama-points siyawushaya abangenhla kwethu asazi mase bafudela manje sibafiteni but thina into emele siyenze ukuthi asicollecte ama-point kuphela thina asisebenzele ama-point if ongaphezulu kwethu uyalahla kulungile soba ngaphezulu kwakhe bonga kakhulu uSuthu Mabheshenko siyabonga abalandeli abagcwale setup bazobuka uSuthu Mabheshenko bese ngibuke naye Charles Bay ngokuthi ungaphumi lutho laphana emhlathini siyabonga kakhulu sikhezeke siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga.
Siyabonga Katsheni. Let me move to Elliot Wasara. He's also joining us via Zoom because Chipa United next take on Sekhukhune United. Elliot, welcome to the show. Wabona hore Chipa ya sokola.
Yeah, Linda, I told you,
connection isn't that great. We are gonna come back to you a bit later. Hopefully we get that sorted. We're still chatting Usutu as well as Chippa United. Athini Makobola continuing with his fine form this campaign, scoring his second brace. He's doing so well. Wiseman, one of your favorite players.
Yes, Sislindi, uMaqokolo wenza kahle kakhulu. Uyena Buskali, Bomatloko, they are doing wonders with clubbing. So this game, let's hope what we can collect because we're playing against the Golden Arrows. If we can win the Golden Arrows next game, we'll be up with College. Basically, each Chiefs is so isusela Tina because so dlala nabo Sislindi. Itina kufanele ba remove to that position so occupy. If we can win these two games, next games over Kaizer Chiefs, kufanele ba remove from number 3 so idlalela position yethu 3. And then babuyele back to number 4 ngoba bahlulekile ukushawa umakhelwane ba. So it's our chance. Let me congratulate the technical team and our players uthi badlale kahle kakhulu against Chippa United. Score 5 goals. Hey, ungadlali nge-Wounded Lion. Hey, we win that last week, Shawa, the Pirates. So now sibuyile. So let's continue until it's clear, guys. That is your phone go dlala Africa. So indlela yokuthi sidlale Africa funeka sihlalele phezulu nathi.
Yeah. Yes, Pagania.
Ufreshlo. Sislinda kubingelele. Mina just a couple of points. Angeke ngibe mude. My thing is that ngiyayizwa iSundowns ayilokhu ikhuluma ngeindaba zokuthi bona co helicopter ezobindiza. Is it decided? Like, the Sundowns is very clinical and technical. They have all the experience. I agree with that 100% fully. But Pirates is very driven. They will fight until the last moment. And in that thing, going to play Richards Bay and Polokwane City at home is not an easy task. As we saw with Richards Bay today against Sundowns. They still have to play, Sundowns still have to play Polokwane twice. You think Polokwane is gonna win, is gonna lose both matches? I don't think so. So that's why I'm saying it's gonna go to the absolute last game. And sizobona ukuthi kwenza njani indaba zeKaizer Chiefs namaZulu ababona benze njani vele Confederation into zabo lezo abahlanganisi labawabona ukuthi bamisa kanjani.
We are here for the bands. You can also join in the conversation using that hashtag #SSFanbase. Marumo Gallants traveled all the way to the new Peter Mokaba Stadium looking for their third away win in the league. However, 1-1 is how it ended. Both goals coming in the second half. We had to wait for the goals in this particular clash last night.
Hi, Lindy. One wise man once said, "It is not yet over until it is over." And then, in our case, as Kukuni, we need strong, prolific striker who has a killer instinct on the goals. A strong, prolific striker who is technically and tactically efficient. So, if we don't have that type of striker, we are going to struggle scoring goals. You see? And then what I can tell my colleagues here is that if the bus is stuck, you change the driver.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, if the bus is stuck, you change the driver.
No.
And it was unfortunate in our case that the driver that came took us to a wrong direction. It's a wrong turn. So, but anyway, if maybe you are selected to replace somebody, you must try by all means to win games. Isn't it that you are making a name for yourself? If you want a job, you have to perform. But if you don't perform, we'll look for another driver. So, The way Sekhukhune is playing, it's not satisfactory.
Yeah.
They play
They're kind of
a low block. They don't attack, and there is no content and everything when they are playing. Actually, I can't say I was surprised.
Yeah.
You can't take a defender and turn a defender into a striker. Is that possible? It's impossible.
Yeah.
So we have to go back to the drawing board. If ever the gentleman in control doesn't deliver, you have to give space to the one who will deliver. That is all that I can say for now.
Okay.
So we are waiting for another match. If ever we are going to see the very same play, which means no. Nothing will ever change.
Okay.
Yeah.
Super sub Tepo Mokoena scored for Sekhukhune United, while another sub, Jason Clifford, came on with the equalizer for Marumo Gallants in the dying minutes of the game. We've got Elios Wasara joining us once again, testing